Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 4090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 4090 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often occurs due to a faulty motherboard or battery, and if not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage, potentially costing more to repair. Let's dive into how to fix this issue yourself. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage from static electricity. First, ensure the device is unplugged and turned off. Start by using the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the casing of the Conga 4090. Work your way around the edges gently to avoid cracking the plastic. Once you have the casing open, take a look at the motherboard. The most common issue causing your device not to turn on is a damaged or faulty motherboard. Look for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you find a faulty component, carefully disconnect any cables attached to it, noting where each one connects for reassembly. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motherboard in place. Make sure to keep these screws safe, as you'll need them for reinstallation. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have removed the faulty motherboard, take your replacement component and align it carefully, making sure all connections are secure. Reattach any cables you disconnected earlier and replace the screws to secure the motherboard in its place. After everything is reassembled, carefully snap the casing back together, ensuring that all clips are engaged properly. Now, plug in your device and turn it on to check if it is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, it may be worth revisiting your connections to ensure everything is secure. To prevent this problem from occurring again, try to keep your Conga 4090 away from moisture and avoid overcharging the battery. Regular maintenance can also help keep your device in good working order. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.